What's up? My name is Stephen Machuca, the wood pastor, and I'm going to show you how I built this sweet miter saw station. Yes, the saw goes here. Let's get to it. One thing I do a little different is the way I do my drawers is I'll add these because this is the way I learned it without these falling. I'm about to staple them in, but I'll make sure they run up and down here, and then I'll put a support here and here and then on the bottom. Great. They can give left or right for you to square it up. So I took this drawer out. This is flat. and I don't want it to shift left or right all the time. Also, I don't want it to dip. Push it all the way in, make sure it's square, flat against the face frame. It is. I'm gonna pull it out just a little bit. Or just some things that I noticed after I finished it. It's perfect. There's no mistakes at all. If I had my way, I would choose for this breaker panel not to be here. The reason I did it on this wall, because this is dead center. One of my miter saw station dead center. I have a hot water heater over here, or a water heater for anybody that's super critical of that term. I didn't want it on this wall because this will be my assembly area, and then also that is the wall to our house. This is an exterior wall, and if I was gonna be making any noise, I wanted it to be right here. I forgot that I wanted to be able to sit up under it. Literally have the long hair. I wanted to be able to sit up under it like a desk. I might make a small stool eventually and still use this like a desk if I take the miter saw off. I really don't see myself moving the miter saw off of here that much. Cut an outlet box out and then put the face back on, and I just ran the power cord up through it because I didn't want to run it up the wall. See where I started to attempt to do that? I didn't want to mess with that. Sweet mount drawer. Shh. Also want to give a huge shout out to Craig Tool. Their DIY plan site is buildsomething.com. If you get on buildsomething.com and you search the Woodpaster, or you search miter saw station with drawers, because there's 13 drawers, that's my lucky number, this will come up, plans for this. If you have any questions or anything, hit me up, subscribe, like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. It's gonna be okay, I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna be all right.